This is your boy Elkana once again on Elkana Diaries. If today is your first time clicking on my video, consider subscribing and hitting on the notification bell, meaning you are not going to miss any of my future updates. In today's video, I'm going to talk about what I have discovered in my recent research. I've been doing research on linking of Ghana card to our Momo, linking of our Ghana card to our SNET, linking our Ghana card to our bank account. And na say I was not getting it. I didn't know I linking Ghana card to everything, to even our health insurance. And I just came across with this. Baby, we know that MTN have been offering MTN loans to people. That means MTN loan na you know say no an boy boys, a boy ojia no atua na ojia no atua, and it reaches to some stage obi MTN loan no na say otua dru stage bi no ato ne sem na twene, and say obejia to mu a Ghana card abai say MTN registration no bibia Ghana card na e dey e na the Ghana card na ya de baako pɛ a wobɛtumi de register mobile money. First, na yɛtumi de wo passport, wo driving license, obi biara register mobile money. But you say Ghana card pɛ, yɛyi biribiara afiri maka Ghana card pɛ. Ɛna sɛ wo use wo sim nso a, you are required to link your Ghana card to that sim. So sim yɛ 10 a, Vodafone o, Airtel o, MTN o, link biribiara ma Ghana card no. Or health insurance, obe link ama Ghana card no. Or bank account, obe link ama Ghana card no. Na account SNET, oya banjuma, obe link ama Ghana card no. And this is what I've learned from MTN loan. It is a well link Ghana card nama or bank account. And I say other sims as 11 impo buy no, yes, say o transfer ska ama wow sim card MTN kwa to Vodafone. Na say who say well nkasa wodi na was so that means 11 ent charges bia e was so e buy and the new boost ni right. Okay, fine. So there's it. Walenke Ghana card nama bank account and no other sim cards no. Ebi a me sim year 5. Ebi a mobile money was so if the number ebi a driving license, more birth set, more insurance, and a more voter side the old one and more Ghana card me didn't na mobile money fine. And may used to be beyond my qualify for MTN loan. And I'm prepare you say you ne buy no obi ankoye biometric capture no and obi akoye and when you cap. The moment I obey biometric no system be pick say why biometric no ubi bia a capture at all for the future bibia baby a capture to it is me was sim year 5 na sem de ba kwa QwikLoan. That means me sim na kan na biometric capture no was no a show MTN say a media no matter say obi na use say you a day a media. It is my QwikLoan na first even say I publish you will be newspaper like I just say you are owing, please come and pay. Na say kwa dey almost send a message binary ho kan was say udi sika ejabi na fa bi e save kakra na tua wo loan no. So I say say na no ka. And here's the situation. Other sim cards na ewo ho no. Na say me sim we me fan say loan was so maybe 1,500 loan was sim way so now I decided say I'm not going to use this sim card in receiving or sending money again. Into me the sim way at one me dey course and other sim na a portray me din and I say me din was so and I me dey me day in and day out transactions. Here's the case. Memory research tell me say I'm just giving advice. Memory research tell me say there's a time coming after bibia go into conclusion na we bibia no o bank account no bibia abeye one nti say me o sim card we no na say MTN loan was so na time na so say loan mo ma say interest rate no time na so na say one metua there's a penalty of 12%. Nti 12% na be count nti scanner is huge nti time na so and I won't fear loan no. The time is up. You are not ready to pay the loan. No be an agent or jano actually fine. When you have biometric capture na a capture no auto stem netune. Inti time ne banner say ya be phone so when you agent so send this card to so. Na say while link Ghana card ama or bank and that means your SIM card is linked to your bank account. I don't know whether you're getting what I'm trying to say. Into what other sim no, it being Vodafone, it being Airtel, and that's the Skawaswa, MTN would deduct. Oh dear, it portrays your name. In this, what discover is when you are not willing to pay. Personally, what should that? And I'll say when you're the meaning say sim na a kawaso no fine. No call other SIM card and also say SCADA so then they have every right to deduct if it's all the car. It is say with SIM card and SCADA so if I will be sending this car. The money is not yet in ba obenya message says can I then ate answer na omu ye me bi can me send no message say please dear MTN, this money is not for me, it's for my grandma and send it back to me as I omu bete o bank account our link man ombete. Internet say link Ghana card to o bank account no. Into one link minister the moment I'll be link no mobile money with the card ombete. So o bank account no so na scan so a na akoshe o pension pay na e wo no so I will send it scanner we adwuma na ate bi ato no. Then they will go in then they will deduct into boys na I just say but MTN loan na yentua no you should be very careful. Oje be responsible enough next year. Who say loan na woje say come biem once every 2000. Loans na woje no oje a who say the ye bibi a bema o yeden e bema uska ana say odi ye bibi a benye ska no entem obi a oje a no de akotwe aviator na yeden edi no na this is the little advice I'm giving out and my research and you'll be not catching me by my research me and Casamaya de Martina say I and I'm sharing with you. And I say unimobin so our faster plans and I know I the urban money and watching him say this how the system is going. What I say no be a money now the car but more than each year. Thank you for stepping by. I appreciate your presence and your love that you've been showing me for my previous videos. And continue subscribing and share my videos to others and like and give me a comment and any other views in so then drop it in the comment section for me. Peace out.